got some of these and a couple of these, you're good. Hello everyone, this is Ted from Furryfield LLC giving you a presentation on the new Snapper 82 volt self-propelled 21-inch lawnmower. We'll be unboxing the machine today and showing you a quick assembly, and that there's very little to assemble, and just a quick walkthrough on the machine. Later, we'll be giving you a more complete description of the 82 volt system by Snapper. The machine has a single point adjustment for mowing height. This kit does come with two 2-amp-hour batteries as well as a charger. The 82 volt battery simply slides onto the charger and takes about 30 to 40 minutes to charge. This is a 2-amp-hour battery. It's easily inserted into the machine. Just plug it in, check to make sure it's full. Adjust your speed. You might be a little aggressive there. Oh my. With an adjustment, the speed adjustment, we're doing just fine. The battery is also used in the entire Snapper 82 volt lineup. So come on down to Hogarth's at 2800 Norwich Street, downtown Brunswick, or call us at 912